Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to look at the Aeldari Warlocks. These are brand new plastic models that have come out with the updated codex and all. Everything is up for pre-order, and so Games Workshop was kind enough to send me a review copy of these guys. And yeah, I'm probably going to end up buying more boxes of these because, you can never have enough Warlocks in your army. I mean, yeah. So get a look at the little back here, just the box, just guys kind of see what's going on here. I like this one with the classic kind of plume on the head. I like the little hairdo, but I like the, what is that called? Like, they got the thingy, like Spartans and Roman centurion. You know what I mean? You know the thingy I'm talking about. Anyway, let's dive in. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at these sprues if we can. And of course, I'm going to try not to cut myself here. With my dull blade. Get in. There we go. All right, let's open it up if I can. Oh my God, I'm gonna mangle this box. Mangled. Oh, I can barely contain myself here. All right, looks like it's a single sprue with some bases. Yep, that's it for the box. So, comes with the instruction booklet, of course. Comes with two, looks like, I don't know, 32 mil base. I can't tell the size of these things. So comes a little instruction booklet, tiniest, the cute little book. It's cute. It's ever cute. Look at that. All the head options. Ooh, oh, it even folds out. It's a booklet. It's a booklet. You get your sword and spears. Both bodies. So you probably get 4 heads with your options. Hopefully both can be done with spears or swords. Now I made an initial reaction video about when these things first came out. That if they did not come with all the options. Son of a gun. I'm a little disappointed. There's only 1 sword and 1 spear. That is a little disappointing. One, 2, 3, yeah. It's got the 2 backs, so you can do both Warlocks. Yeah, I'm a disappoint. I am a disappoint. Only 1 sword and 1 spear. Aww. I like that helmeted head, so. Yeah, I like that one with the little crest on the helmet. I like that one. That's a cool option. Well, look at that. Warlocks. Finally. Plastic. Here we go. Let's do this. Yeah. Despite having not all the options there, I'm still very excited for this. It looks really, really pretty. And I'm probably going to get to work on these right away, just get them included. Although I might have to scare up an extra sword or extra spear somewhere. But otherwise, yeah. But that's it. That's a quick little unboxing for y'all. And have a look at the sprue and all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that other stuff. And take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you. And I will see you guys in the next video.